Welcome to Inca language. In this lesson, I will teach Achahala alphabet, Inca language, Quechua. The first alphabet is A, Cha, Ha, I, Ka, La, Ya, Ma, Na, Ña, Pa, Ja, Da, Sa, Ta, U, Wa, Ya. The 18 alphabet in Quechua. Okay. In this imaging, as you can see, there are the pronouns, the 18 alphabets. The first alphabet, you say A. The second, Cha, Ha, I, Ka, La, Ya, Ma, Na, Ña, Pa, Ja, Ra, Sa, Ta, U, Wa, Ya. Okay. Now, and this imaging, as you can see, there are animals and things. Okay, I will cite the names in Quechua and English. Atu in Quechua, fox in English. You say chasca, star in English. In Quechua, jampara, tribal in English. Inti, sang, quilla, quilla is moon. Lasta, lasta is frost. Yigla, you say in English, blanket. Yigla, blanket. Book, you say book. In Quechua, you say maitu, maitu. Fire, fire, you say in Quechua, nina. Rod, you say in Quechua, ñan. Puyo, puyo is clothes. Hulji, hulji is money. Money, you say in Quechua, hulji. Stone is rumi. Rumi is stone. Sacha, sacha is tree. Sacha, tree. You say tree in English. Tiana, tiana, English is chair, chair. Okucha, okucha is mouse. Okucha is mouse in English. Wawa, wawa is baby. Wawa is baby in English. Yaku in Quechua in English is weather. Yaku in English is weather. Okay. Now I will teach alphabet one by one. The first is A. A, you pronounce in Quechua A, and in English you say A in English. Okay, now in this imagine you see a dog. Dog in English, dog in English. In Quechua you say alfu. In Quechua you say alfu. Example, beautiful dog or nice dog. In Quechua you say sumah alfu. Sumah alfu. Okay. Next alphabet is Cha. Cha. Ka is alphabet Quechua. Clearly Quechua alphabet does not exist in Spanish and English. Okay? Example, cha. You know fish. Fish is in English. In Quechua you say chalwa. Chalwa is in Quechua. Okay? Example, when you say I want to eat fish, I want to eat fish, in Quechua you say chalwata mikuita munani. Chalwata mikuita munani. Okay. Next alphabet is ha. Ha. In English, in Quechua, you pronounce ha. In English, you pronounce H. H in English. Okay. Example. Swat. Swat in English. What you say in Spanish, in Quechua, hampatu. 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 Okay. Example. The twat sings. The twat sings in Quechua. In Quechua you say hampatu takin o hampatu wahamu. Hampatu takin o hampatu wahamu. Okay. Next alphabet is E. E in Quechua. In English you say I. I in English. Okay, example. A. San. San in Quechua you say Inti. Inti. Inti is San. Okay. Now example. The sun came out. The sun came out. In Quechua you say Inti yusgiramo. Inti yusgiramo. Inti yusgiramo. Okay. Now the next alphabet is Ka. You pronounce Ka in Quechua. In English you pronounce K. K. Okay. Example. Ka. Salt. Salt in Quechua you pronounce or you say Cachi. In Quechua, salt is cachi. Cachi. Okay. Example. Buy the salt. Buy the salt. In Quechua you say cachita. Cachita rantiramui. Cachita rantiramui. Okay. Next. Alphabet. La. You pronounce la in Quechua. In English you pronounce L. L. Okay. Now, example for this alphabet. La. La. Think soup. Think soup. Think soup. You say in Quechua, lawa. Lawa. In the sentence, for example, delicious thick soup. Delicious thick soup. You say in Quechua, miski lawa. Miski lawa. Miski api. Es similar. Miski lawa or miski api. Okay. Now, next alphabet, ya. 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 You pronounce ya in Quechua. In English, does not exist. Does not exist. Okay? Ya. For this alphabet, I have example. This animal, llama. Llama. Llama is the Quechua word. It is Quechua word. Okay. Next, for example, in sentence, the llama looks at me. The llama looks at me. In Quechua you say, llama hawamuan. Llama hawamuan. Okay. Alphabet. Ma. Ma. You pronounce ma in Quechua. In English, you pronounce M. M in English. For example, for this alphabet, cat. This animal is cat. Cat. How do you pronounce in Quechua? In Quechua you say misi. 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 Misi in Quechua, cat in English. Okay. For example, in a sentence, the cat stretches. The cat stretches. You say in Quechua, misi chutapacu. Misi chutapacu. Okay. Next alphabet is na. Na. Na you pronounce in Quechua and in English. Okay. Example for this alphabet. Fire. Fire, as you can see in this imagine, is fire. Fire in Quechua is Nina. You say Nina. Okay. In a sentence, the fire burns me. The fire burns me. In Quechua you say Nina Rupawan. Nina Rupawan is the fire burns me. Okay. Ña. Ña you pronounce in Quechua. In English does not exist. This alphabet does not exist in English. Okay. For example, for this alphabet is ña. Ña, you know, in English, hair comb. Hair comb in Quechua is ñarcha. 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 Okay. Example, black hair comb. Black hair comb is llana ñarcha. Llana ñarcha. Okay. Llana ñarcha. Next alphabet is pa. Pa, you pronounce pa in Quechua, and in English you pronounce p. P in English. Okay. For this alphabet, I have example. Potato. Potato you say in Quechua. In Quechua you say papa. Papa. Potato is papa in Quechua. Okay. Example. Delicious potatoes. Delicious potatoes. You say in Quechua, papacuna misquillaña. Papacuna misquillaña. Papacuna misquillaña. Okay. Next alphabet is ha. 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 Ha you pronounce in Quechua. In English you know. Q. Q. You pronounce Q. Okay. For example, ha. For this alphabet I have. Now for congelation, frost. In English, in Quechua is hasa. Hasa. Okay. It's snow for congelation, frost. Okay. For example, the frost is cold. The frost is cold. In Quechua you say hasa chirimun. Hasa chirimun. Hasa chirimun. Okay. The next alphabet is ra. Ra you pronounce in Quechua. In English, you know, are in English. Example for this alphabet is snowfall. Snowfall is riti. Riti in Quechua. Riti. Okay. Example. The snowfall looks beautiful. The snowfall looks beautiful. In Quechua you say riti sumahawakamu. Riti sumahawakamu. Riti sumahawakamu. Okay. Alphabet Sara. Sa. Alphabet Sa. You pronounce in Quechua and in English is it's English. It's okay. Sa. Corn in English. In Quechua is Sara. 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 Sample. The corn is drying up. The corn is drying up. In Quechua you say Sara chakichkan. Sara chakichkan in Quechua. Sara chakichkan. Okay. Next, ta. 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 In Quechua, you pronounce ta. In English, you know, or you pronounce ti. Ti. Ta, for example, tarwi. This plant is Peruvian plants. Okay, tarwi. You pronounce in Quechua tarwi. Okay. For example, I want tarwi food. In Quechua, you say tarwi mikunata munani. Tarwi mikunata munani. Okay. Next alphabet, U. U, you pronounce in Quechua. You pronounce in English. Okay. U, mouse. Mouse you say in English. In Quechua you say ukucha. Ukucha. Ukucha you say in Quechua. For example, the mouse eats my corn. The mouse eats my corn. In Quechua you say ukucha saraita mikun. Ukucha saraita mikun. Okay, the next alphabet is Wa. Wa you pronounce in Quechua. W you pronounce in English. Okay. Now I have examples for this alphabet Wa. Baby. Baby you say in English. And in Quechua you say Wawa. 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 Okay, example. The baby laughs. The baby laughs. In Quechua you say Wawa asiku. Wawa asiku. Wawa asiku. Ya. The alphabet Ya. Ya you pronounce in Quechua. In English you pronounce way. Way. Okay. Way. For example, this alphabet Ya. Cool. Cool. You pronounce in Quechua Yachaiwasi. You say Yachaiwasi. Yachaiwasi in Quechua and in English is school. Okay. The next example, the schoolhouse of knowledge. The schoolhouse of knowledge. In Quechua you say Yachaiwasi, Yachanawasi. Yachaiwasi, Yachanawasi. Thank you for this video. Tupananchiskama, you say see you soon in English. Tupananchiskama, in English you say see you soon. See you soon is Tupananchiskama. Thank you.